Greens family, we are live on Revolutionary Cam again. And I'm in the UBA
More money, less
court.
problems.
Money in Africa.
Money
African
tribe.
money.
2012.
We're circulating our money.
We got a lot of excited people in front of me.
For the black people.
Yes, family, how you feeling? How you feeling?
Most
Fantastic.
excellent. Yes.
So you just opened your investment account at UBA.
Yes, sir.
So you're ready to go back to the States and transfer all your money into these accounts so you can gain all this fabulous interest.
Yes, sir.
Yes, and
most of
buy black.
Yes.
Bank black.
That's good for the Africans.
That's
Right.
Excellent. That's one thing about UBA. UBA stands for the United Bank for Africa.
That's right.
And this is a straight up Pan-African bank. And a lot of your investments that you can do it once you open a basic account, and you can set up other accounts and transfer your money from the States. And once you get to Ghana and you're ready to build your house, do big projects, you can go to the bank, access your cash, and make moves a lot smoother.
Right.
Well, it felt really good to put money into a black bank. Really felt empowering to actually do that. There's no resentment, there's no concern about these people really, are they going to take care of my money? Are they going to respect me? I felt respected and not used and abused. So it really felt good to do that. And I'm grateful for that opportunity.
All right, did our bank manager tell you about the investments account and the investment return rate?
Well, he's coming tomorrow to our hotel to answer questions and have a more in-depth conversation with us. So we will ask all those questions. To actually have the banker come to
Exactly.
you,
Exactly.
to where you
right
are.
there. That level of service is unprecedented. Nowhere in the United States, no matter how big of a deposit I was making, would the banker come to where we are to answer our questions and to give us service. That right there was worth the price of admission, and by that I mean a plane ticket here, in order to have that and to circulate our funds through a community where people look like us. They didn't look at us funny when we walked in. I didn't feel judged or disrespected in any way, and it didn't matter what amount of deposit we were making. It was just the fact that we were coming to do business and we were treated that way and welcomed. And I mean, from the security guard out front to the banker to everyone who dealt with us, it was a good feeling. It's a very good feeling. So thank you, Africa for the Africans, again for providing an opportunity for us to come and do business with our people and just feel really comfortable and strong. It felt like a strong move to it. It felt strong. Yeah.
Definitely. And once you have these accounts set up, you're pretty much set for doing business in Africa. This is like the beginning stage. So appreciate everyone going to get their account started and work with your vision. Talking about vision, Valerie, what is your vision here in Ghana? What you plan on doing with all the money that you plan on transferring from the U.S. to your new Ghana account?
You know what? It's wide open right now. It's just to go home right now and just dream big and to make it happen in Ghana. That's what I plan on doing. Going home, talking to my family about making investments, about moving forward in the future. That's what I plan on doing.
All right, perfect. Do you have any questions for Revolutionary Cam as far as the business and investment account that I can answer right here on the spot?
Any questions about the investment account?
Yes.
It's paid per annum. Is that accurate?
Yes. You can do quarterly, annually, or semi-annually, and you're looking at anywhere from about. Right now, it's peaked at about 20% return interest, and that's going to be your treasury bills and also your fixed deposit.
Awesome.
And the last I remember locking in an investment account, it was 13.5% interest. So the fact that it has gone up about 7%, that's letting you know that you want to keep on putting your money in the account and recycle it.
Yes, get in on the ground. This is what's called the ground floor. If you don't recognize it when you see it, this is the ground floor. This is where you get in right here when it's beginning. We want to get in on the party after it's already started. The party has started. Come on, bring your funds, get started, and make a strong move. each other. It's not unusual. It's just new for us. So
Definitely.
yeah.
Black.
Appreciate the energy, ladies. You take care. And we look forward to connecting with you next time.
All right.